southern giraffes. So in southern giraffes, the males, the patches darken as they are aging, but with females, the patches will remain like that. And also, you can tell from the horns, like they are not called horns, but ossicles. With females, they are very small and narrow, and also hairy at the tip. But with males, they're very big and also blunt at the tip. So I can see some more giraffes the other side, so follow them.